Today I'm going to be making one of our family favorite soups. It's called Golden Healing Power Soup. I'm not sure if the recipe will be online. If it is, I'll put the link in the description. If it's not, I'll just put the recipe in. But basically, it's like a turmeric.
It's not a tuma.
Shut up. It's like a creamy turmeric soup, and it's really, really good. My whole family loves it. I make it all the time. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make that. I'm gonna start making the creamy turmeric cauliflower potato soup. It's really, really good. First, I'm gonna start with getting all the ingredients, which I will put in the description below. Okay, we start with chopping 2 onions. I have to double the batch since we have a million people. So, start with chopping 2 onions. Better when it was blended, so I'm gonna.
You can put it beside it. Sprouts. Why is there butter on this? Ooh, that's a lot.
Why are you so happy? You wanna go outside? You climbed the tree. Look at you.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? You're so cute.
Yeah, buddy.
What are you smiling at? What are you smiling at? Oh, what are you smiling at?
What are you doing, Levi? What are you doing? Levi, hey. Dad.
I just can't. We're in the car wash, which the kids are not used to. Is this scary of me? Okay, so we got back from the thrift store and I found the most amazing thing ever. Simon and Garfunkel live in Central Park, New York. I love this album. Wanting to buy it, didn't have the money, so I got it for 75 cents at a thrift store. What are you doing, Jesse? Toby got a sweet hoodie from the thrift store. Like, I'm super jealous because I've been looking for this kind of hoodie for months, and of course we find it and it only looks good on Toby. Look at that. That is amazing. You're rude. And then, oh yeah, now do a little turn for us. Not like that. Spin around, I want to see the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Ooh, he's only a beach bum from the back. Yeah. Are you going through all the thrift store finds?
Trying to find my skirt.
Oh yeah, you did get a skirt.
My shirt. We just need a
Bethany stole part of my costume and made a shawl for her doll. Show it. Now her doll has a hippie shawl.
Adri is now downloading the Simon & Garfunkel CD so we can put it on our iPods and iPhone.